Today we will learn about two important export settings that will enhance the quality and color of your video. These export settings are MP4 and MOV. So let's dive into the timeline. First, I have selected a video footage. Then I'll go to the export menu. Here you can change the name of your video. For this example, I'll name it YouTube. You can see also select the location where you want to save your video file. For MP4 export, we will choose the H264 format, which is actually selected by default. If you want, you can uncheck the frame size and export your video in 4K or other formats. I am keeping it in full HD. Similarly, you can adjust the frame rate. But remember to enable render at maximum rate. Next, enable the use maximum render quality to ensure your video is exported at the higher resolution. After that, you will increase the target bitrate. I am setting it to 15. You will notice that the file size changes from 39 MB to 63 MB. Now you can export the video. Next, we will learn how to export in the MOV format. Again, we will go to the export menu and name it YouTube as before. This time we will change the format to QuickTime. Then we will select Apple ProRes 422 HQ as the video codec. If you want to export in 4K, select the 4K frame size. I'll keep it in full HD. Finally, enable the maximum render quality. You will notice that no file size at show here because MOV files are typically larger and of higher quality. After this, set the depth to 60 bpc, which will enhance the color and quality of the video. Once done, we will export the video. For more exciting video editing tips, subscribe our channel and check out our other video.